Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Paul. In this video, I'm excited to bring you Palm AI, the multi-platform chatbot that is powered by Google's AI technology. And as the title suggests, this is currently a new project with a low market cap, which I believe could offer huge potential. In this video, I will cover everything from tokenomics, the roadmap, and more importantly, the revenue share program, which allows users to earn revenue just by holding the Palm token. I will also cover key points to consider and the future outlook for the Palm AI platform. The information in this video is meant for education and entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Okay, now let's begin. About Palm AI. Palm AI is a multi-platform chatbot that is powered by a mix of Google's AI technology and in-house innovative algorithms, and is said to have unlimited use cases that makes it easy for anyone to build or utilize AI for their specific requirements. What makes Palm AI unique is its integration of Google's suite AI tools that target both Web3 and Web2 applications, and Palm AI's vision is to create practical, customizable AI tools for a diverse range of users, including individuals, groups, and businesses, to allow them to seamlessly integrate AI into their platforms. The three key pillars of Palm AI are to be an accessible and approachable AI platform, ensure blockchain integrity, and also allow users to not just build their own solutions, but to earn revenue share as well. Some of the main features of the AI chatbot are to engage in conversation, coding, and image generation. And the official website states that the team behind Palm AI have completed hundreds of AI product development projects, which include platforms X, formerly Twitter, Telegram, and Shopify. One thing I like about Palm AI reading the white paper, which is crucial for its continued adoption and growth, is the transparency of its main funding sources and where they come from. The white paper states revenue is gained from three main sources. The first is the revenue generated from taxes of the tradable Palm token on Ethereum mainnet. Second is the revenue generated by the business model of Palm AI. And the third revenue stream is through private funding of the developer team. Palm is the native utility token of the Palm AI ecosystem and was launched on Ethereum in November 2023. Its main token use case is to provide revenue share to token holders, which in return incentivizes them to hold their tokens long term. Palm's all-time high price at time of recording is $2. Palm AI supply and tokenomics. Palm AI launched with a total supply of 100 million tokens and has a current circulating supply of around 79 million tokens. And a burning mechanism has meant 21% of all the token supply has been burnt to date, reducing the overall supply to just 79 million tokens. Palm is the native utility token of the Palm AI ecosystem and is primarily used to provide revenue share to token holders, which also helps to incentivize them to hold their tokens for the long term. In the white paper, it states that 75% or 75 million of the total supply is provided for trading to ensure people can always buy and sell Palm tokens easily. And 5% of the total supply is reserved for future opportunities, like for example being listed on centralized exchanges. Palm AI have implemented a 3% tax on buying and selling the Palm token, which is distributed as follows. 1% is development tax used towards funding the ongoing development of the AI chatbot on Telegram. 1% is a marketing tax which is used to promote Palm, increasing its visibility and adoption. And 1% is a staking tax to ensure there is always enough Palm tokens available for trading. Palm AI revenue share and staking. Revenue share is an important part of the Palm AI platform and allows users to earn revenue just by holding the Palm token. And they aim to make the whole experience easy by airdropping holders who can prove ownership of the Palm tokens, and a requirement is also to hold them for a specified period of time. Looking at the website, they have limited information currently, but state that all Palm holders are eligible for the revenue program, and you pay no fees at any point and have full control over your tokens. The revenue program works by holders connecting a wallet to check eligibility, an estimated percentage of the pool. Then they just wait for the next distribution, and as of time of publishing, over 56% of the circulating supply is in the program. Palm AI allows staking of your Palm tokens as well to earn rewards, and the API is dynamic with a lockup period of 4 days. More information about staking can be found on the official website, and please be aware that staking does come with risks. Palm AI token exchanges. Palm AI is a relatively new project, and like most new projects, it is not listed on many centralized exchanges yet, but has one centralized exchange available called MEXC. However, I'm not overly familiar with MEXC myself, so highly recommend you do your own due diligence before investing. As shown on the site, they do have Uniswap decentralized exchange, where you can buy the Palm token, but for anyone new to crypto and unsure how to trade with Uniswap DEX, I would again recommend you do some research to better understand how to trade on Uniswap and the risks involved, as unlike a centralized exchange, a decentralized exchange will require a wallet, like for example MetaMask, to buy and sell tokens on Uniswap. Palm AI roadmap. With any project I research, I like to see a roadmap that outlines how the overall platform is going to improve moving forward, and Palm AI achieves this with its detailed roadmap for Q1 and Q2 of 2024. As we can see, the most recent achievements in Q1 2024 is the full launch of the AI platform, which allows users to create their own AI solutions and Web 2 and Web 3 utility bridging through Palm product keys. Some of the other roadmap stages expected in Q1 are the launch of the weekly revenue share, as mentioned earlier in the video, and more centralized exchange listings for its Palm token, which will make the token much easier to buy for anyone not familiar with using decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. Moving into Q2, some of the key points I can see include the API and SDK release, which will allow developers to create their own AI solutions and integrate them into their own platform, and the WeChat and Shopify integration that will allow users to create their own AI solutions and use them on their WeChat and Shopify accounts. Palm AI state that integrating into WeChat and Shopify will make the utility truly unique and in keeping with their first mover goals. Palm AI Creator Studio. Palm AI announced in March 2024 that their Creator Studio platform is now live for projects, utilizing the Web3 tailored AI solutions for communities. But what is Creator Studio? Creator Studio is a Web3 specific AI creation platform for building and customizing your own intelligent solutions easily, and all-in-one web interface. It can easily be managed through your own wallet, so effectively your wallet address is your account. This therefore makes it fully decentralized. Users can join the Palm AI ecosystem without needing any prior external knowledge, and the solutions aim to be as simple as plug and play, but for anyone interested will have to apply and go through a process to be accepted. Palm AI and NVIDIA Partnership. Palm AI announced in February 2024 a partnership with the NVIDIA Inception program, and the key aim of the program is to help startups like Palm AI grow faster. On the X platform, Palm AI posted the following: Palm is now a full member of the NVIDIA Developer Program. We have gained access to a suite of tools and programs built to enhance our GPU accelerated applications and skill development. As our main line of products, we provide AI applications, and the AI component in these applications demands powerful cloud GPUs, to which we're now premium access to. Additionally, Palm AI stated, we will begin to offer hosting on NVIDIA GPUs on our platform Enderbyte from next week onwards. Users will be able to select the region and type of hardware they wish to deploy their custom trained models on. So this partnership with NVIDIA will ultimately give Palm AI the support needed to grow and promote its technology to the wider market, and with the end goal of gaining increased adoption all over the world, which is a big deal for them. Key points of Palm AI. Palm AI has several benefits that make it a great AI platform, including revenue sharing platform. Palm AI offers revenue sharing to its token holders, which will incentivize them to hold their tokens on the platform long term. Leverages Google's AI technology. Palm AI leverages Google's cutting-edge AI technology and allows users to easily create their own AI applications. Partnership with NVIDIA. Palm AI has partnered with the NVIDIA Inception program, with the key aim of allowing Palm AI to grow faster and promote its technology to the wider market. Total supply reduction. Palm AI has burned over 1 million Palm tokens to date, reducing the total supply and in doing so helping the price potential for investors. Palm AI future outlook. I believe Palm AI's future outlook looks really positive. It does appear to have a clear roadmap in 2024, and its potential for its token to be listed on more centralized exchanges will enable the token to be more accessible to the wider market to buy. I have to mention though that this project is very much at the early stages of its journey, and for that reason it is still a relatively low market cap, with at the time of publishing it's just over 100 million market cap, so it does come with a lot more risk than say investing in a top 10 project. With all this said, I think Palm AI has a real use case in the artificial intelligence market with its AI chatbot that focuses on accessible AI, and its revenue sharing will appeal to investors as it allows them to earn passive income just by holding the tokens. So I do look forward to watching to see how Palm AI, leveraging their partnership with NVIDIA, can continue to grow and gain further adoption in the next few years. As always, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, I think you'll like this video next, and please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay notified when I post my next video. Thank you.